Hey, what's going on, everyone? Christian Carter from Radius. 2023 is officially in the books, and we're on to 2024. So I thought this was a good time to shoot a quick video on the top mortgage highlights of 2023. I wrote down, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sure the topic that you guys are all interested in the most is interest rates, but we're going to do that last because there's a lot of other important stuff that went on during 2023. So let's get right into it. All right, before we go into all 6 of these topics, I do want to point out that I have shot an in-depth video on each of these topics. So if you need a copy of that video or anything like that, one of these topics piques your interest, please let me know and I can shoot it over to you. All right, first up here, the FHFA increased their loan limits for 2023. So this came out at the end, I want to say maybe somewhere in November 2023 time frame. But yeah, so when we're talking about conventional loans, right, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, the loan limits got increased, which is really, really good to keep us out of that non-conforming or jumbo territory, right? Now, so a baseline single-family loan limit increased to a little over $766,000, which is awesome. Just shows you how much homes have appreciated over the past couple years. And then a 4-family limit is over $1.4 million, which is absolutely crazy. Now, I know what you're thinking. If you're living in a high-cost area, these are just the baseline loan limits. The loan limits in your specific county might have increased even more than these. All right, so next up, this is really, really good news. So Fannie Mae changed their down payment and loan-to-value restrictions on multifamily property, right? So in a nutshell, they increased their maximum loan-to-value to 95% on 2 to 4 unit properties, which is absolutely awesome. So if you're looking to buy, looking to refinance, or even looking to renovate using like Fannie Mae home style mortgage, the loan to value went to 95%, which is absolutely awesome. This is a big game changer. All right, next up here, shifting gears a little bit, we're gonna head over to the FHA. So the FHA put out their new rule on ADUs. So it basically allows the purchase, refinance, or construction of a home with an ADU. Now this has been really, really good news because ADUs, think about it, well, first of all, an ADU is an accessory dwelling unit, right? So think of the in-law apartment in your basement, think of maybe that 2-bedroom cottage, detached and located in your backyard, that your crazy uncle might sleep in. So think about that, it's like an in-law apartment that can be either attached, part of the house, or detached. This has been a long time coming. Finally, FHA changed their rules to allow the financing of these ADUs, which is really, really good news. All right, sticking with the FHA, number 4 here. The FHA also reduced their mortgage insurance premium, their annual mortgage insurance, by 30 basis points, which is really, really good. So essentially, their annual mortgage insurance premium went from 0.85% to 0.55%. Now that might not seem like a big deal, but this is saving hundreds, usually thousands of dollars per year for people that are looking to get an FHA loan. So mortgage insurance with the FHA got even cheaper in 2023, which is awesome. Talking about things getting cheaper, the VA funding fee also got cheaper as well. Now, of course, this refers to the VA mortgage, and the funding fee is going to vary so greatly that it wasn't worth it to put out specific numbers here. But the good news is that the VA funding fee has been reduced in 2023 and it's going to carry forward into 2024, which is awesome news. All right, now the moment you guys have all been waiting for, right? Let's talk about interest rates. Here we go. So we started off the year in January of 2023 with a 30-year fixed rate of 6.48%, right? And now let me backtrack a little bit. This is just historical or national averages that I'm using for these numbers, right? So national interest rate for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, right? So at the beginning of the year, it was 6.48%. We actually peaked in October of 2023 at 7.79%. Jesus, that's high. And then finally, we ended the year in 2023, a couple days ago, at 6.61%. Now, this is important because look what happened between October and the end of the year. This is really important. We started to head down, right? So hopefully in 2024, we're going to see some lower interest rates across. All right, that is all she wrote. That is 2023 from a mortgage standpoint, in a nutshell, wrapped up, and we're headed on to 2024. I hope you did like this video. If you did like this video, I would love it if you could hit that like button. It really helps me. More importantly, if you have more questions on topics that you want me to cover in 2024, please leave them in the comments below. And then lastly, if you like the content that I do put out, I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel. It does really help me. Other than that, I hope everyone is geared up to have a happy, healthy, prosperous 2024. And I will see you there. See ya.